Okay, here we go. This is video number 1, Snowstorm Blizzard 2009. It is 10:20 p.m. on Saturday, December 19th. And let's just take a look out my back door, see what it looks like right now. Yep, that's right. It's blizzarding already. So, this is down here. I'm gonna open the door. We get some sound and everything like that. You can see the snow where it's at near the lights. Oh, it's cold. I'm gonna turn the corner. Look at the ground. Get some focus on that. There you go. You can see snow's not really is already starting to stick a little bit, and you can go down the driveway a little bit. If you look up ahead, you can actually see snow already beginning to blow off the roofs. And coming down here, here's my whip in the driveway there. And this is what it looks like right now. Neighborhood and everything like that. That's the snow coming right at us right there. And now we're gonna pack it in, go back inside, and take a look in the morning. Alright, video 1.